What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Prince Loves Kicks, man. I'm back with another video, man. This video is gonna be a Nike outlet vlog. I'm gonna go to my local Nike outlet store and show y'all what they have right now. I know they have a sale going on as well, so if I find anything, I'm gonna get some things. What I also been thinking about doing, man. I know I have my YouTube channel. I don't have any outlet videos right now, so this is part of that. I'm gonna start, making videos when I go to the outlet. I go to the outlet pretty often. A lot of times I don't do it because I don't see a lot of things, compared to maybe other outlets and stores and places that people go to. But, think about, adding that to my video so y'all can see what we have in our local outlets as well. I also want to do, I looked it up, I want to do an outlet, Nike outlet of all the stores in Georgia. So, as you can tell, I'm from the Atlanta area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to all of them, make a vlog, show you what they have, just go through the show you what they look like and where they're at in the area. I looked it up. I think it's about 11 in the state of Georgia, which is, I thought it was more, but it is what it is. It's not that bad. So there's 11 stores, and I've been to majority of them. There's maybe only like 2 or 3 that I haven't been. I know we opened a few new ones last year, so I was able to make it to one of the new ones that was open last year or early this year. So definitely gonna do that, man, so y'all can see the ones that we have in the area. I can show you what they have as well. So I think that'd be something that'd be dope to bring to the channel so y'all can see. Like I said, so be on the lookout for that. So this will probably just be part 1 of that video. Like I said, I believe it's 11 stores. I have to go back and check. It might be 11 to 13 in Georgia. So I'm gonna make all those videos, go through, show you where they're at, how you can get to them, where they're at. It's on like one or two that's a little harder to get to. One for sure, because it's in Savannah. So I'm not sure if I've been to that one. I might have been on once, but there's one in Savannah. So that might be the one that maybe requires a weekend trip or so. So we'll see. Might be the last one we do. But every other one is not that far, within distance. So the one today we're going to is going to be, not that far from me. It's probably the one I go to the most. Yeah, the one I go to the most because it's just the closest to me. So we're gonna go do that. I'll show y'all what it looks like. I'll give details how far it is. If you visiting the area, you want to go to a Nike outlet, I can show you what it is as well, how far, how long it'll take you to get there. But yeah, man, that's it. So man, this is gonna be a quick Nike outlet and show y'all what they have, tell you where it's at, and like I said, be on the lookout, man. It's gonna be a series about our Nike outlets in Georgia, so y'all can see, where they're at. If you ever in the area, you want to stop by, just to see where Nike outlet is at. So alright, y'all, see y'all at the Nike store, probably outside of it, so I'll show y'all what it looks like in and where it's at. But outside of that, man, rocking the braids, snapback, dope, old school 1995 braids, Cleveland World Series t-shirt. Show y'all the shoes as well. Got the the black toe 14s. First outlet we're gonna go to on this series. Man, we're in Woodstock, Georgia. This outlet, like I said, is about 30-40 minutes away from me, so not that far. I come in pretty often. Man, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like as well, but let's walk into it now. Like I said, they have Adidas, Coke, Saks Fifth, Michael Kors. Just your regular outlet, to be honest with you. There's the outlets of the shops. Like I said, it's a Woodstock. Here's the Nike line right now. Well, here's the line to get into that guy, but we'll see what they have. Somebody said sometimes you can find heat in there, sometimes you don't. I know they have Nike, Adidas. I used to go to the Coach and Saks Fifth, but let's see what they got today. Alright, man, I'm gonna show you what they got. It's like a Nike trainer. Nothing really too much I see so far. All out of the Nike Revolution. I don't know what that is. This shit is gone completely, so if we ran through this, it is back to school week, so it could be busy because of that. Let's see what else they have. It's 2021. It's not a bad price though. That makes 2017. I don't really like that. That's another one. It's one of these crystals though, man. I like them, but then I don't know. Like, I like crystals, they're comfortable, but I just don't know about that color. But you get an extra 20% off as well, too. But, it's a tough one. I gotta think about that. Some more of the Nike Air Max 2017. Nike Air Max 95, ain't that bad. I don't know if this is supposed to be here, but you can't beat that price. Let's see what else they got.
Give it some beautiful mother.
Again. LeBron low. It's not a bad colorway though. But man, all the LeBrons are sitting. They're all on sale too. So if you're looking for LeBron, definitely get those. Space hippies. This one's not that bad actually. For $79, you can't really beat that. I don't know how they fit, but that's not that bad actually. Not that color compared to the previous one. So they got that color. They also got this color too. The Space Hippie. I got the other color better, a little bit different. Nike Pkwy. KD 14. Those both 129. I like these dumps though, man. They're pretty clean. I didn't even have my size. So they have like all the sizes. They got 8.5. The biggest size they have is a 10.5. So I'm passing that. But I like those. Wish I had my size. I probably would pop them if they had them my size. Look at that apparel. Yeah, I got that. Not a bad Nike shirt. No, this one not some another outlet. And white and purple and green. That's what I was talking about. That color. I like that color better. I don't know. I don't like the shirt. Yeah, what y'all thinking about this here, man? I thought this here was tight. Nike Beaverton of Love, man. I kind of want it. It's only $89, but it ain't that bad. I don't want to put it, man. I got something similar. That's the reason I won't get it, but think about it. Yeah, members only 20% off. That's high purchase, man. I think about getting these, though. This kind of tough. I have to pop these. Let's see. Yeah, man, I might get these. I'm thinking about getting a pair of these shorts too, man. Nice color. Nike. $34. Can't really beat that either. Say 20%. Oh, I got this color, but I ain't really rocking that color. I think I might get these, man. Some cool. That's not bad either. Won't be bad to pick that up later on, you know, when it gets cold again. Yeah, man, I might get these though. I think I might get those. So this outlet is in Woodstock, Georgia. Like I said, I saw the Nike. It has Adidas, Michael Kors, Coach, Guess. So it's not that bad. It's not my, I would say, go-to outlet. That'll probably be on the next video, to be honest with you, the one that I go to outside of this shopping for sneakers. Like I said, you can find some things here. Sometimes. Mainly it was clothing. This time they didn't really have anything, to be honest with you. Outside of those dumps. But they never had my size, so I might see. So I might cop those if I can find my size. They didn't have anything on the back wall for size. Well, I wear size 12, but they didn't have any. So that was pretty interesting. But man, I'm sure y'all, it looks like I'm outside, and that's pretty much it. I'm heading back home and show y'all what I got.